Hey guys, I'm listening to Tony's video right now. That's TNT Tony, and I'm doing a shake because why? This rain is making my joints hurt. How about you? So I'm doing the classic. You do the now because it has the Lunison in it. I do the Lunison separately. The orange Energize Zero because it has no glycemic impact, and then I'm doing Fiber Store and Artifact. Why? I always do Fiber Store because of my gut issues. I don't have gut issues anymore, and I do a full scoop of Artifact. It has 7 grams of hydrolyzed collagen in it. It helps with joint pain, guys, especially if you're on a no sugar diet like I am. And guys, I love the live stream tonight. Go check it out. We saw a triple rainbow, and I'm getting the intel from T and Tony Ray's call that came on at 8 p.m. I'm listening. You might be able to hear it in the background, but I'm taking this last shake. I've got the puppies ready to go to bed. Again, classic, energized, Fiber Store and Artifact is my nighttime shake. It's that easy, that simple. And then, as I always say, that's just like I've been doing all day, right? It's crazy. Today, I'm having a hard time with my phone. So look, add some water, shake it up, shake it up, and then you cleanse the palate with water after your shake. After a shake. And I'm gonna take reverse sage before I go to bed. Reverse sage. Best tasting product on the market. It has a lemon lime flavor. Big scoop. Use 6 to 8 ounces of water. You can get these shaker cups from Reload. You can buy a whole sleeve. I suggest it because they're handy. Water after. This is what I'm doing at 8 o'clock before I go to bed. I'm doing my shake. If I have any joint pain, I do the Artifact, Fiber Store, Energize Go, and the Basic Nutrition, which is either classic or now. I recommend you do the now. I will post this as a link to my playlist for the internet, for the products. But guys, I love you all. I'll see you in the morning for my live stream at 9. But if there's anything new on this call, I'll let you know. They're talking, but it's not really new intel, but I'm praying it happens. Bye.